Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the one and only Xiaomi 17 series, and the leaks are getting wild. Xiaomi has been teasing this series for a while, and now they've officially confirmed the launch date and revealed some massive details. We've got news on everything from the new design and a magic back screen to some serious battery bumps and camera surprises. Let's dive in. First off, let's talk about the launch. Xiaomi has officially confirmed the Chinese launch date for the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 flagship phones, and it's happening sooner than expected. While we were all thinking September 29th, Xiaomi has confirmed the launch is set for September 25th. And alongside this confirmation, they've shown off the non-Pro Xiaomi 17 for the first time. The new phone features a redesigned back with a squirrel-shaped camera island. If you're thinking that looks familiar, you're right. It's more similar to the camera island on the iPhone 16 Pro series. The photo also confirms the standard Xiaomi 17 will have a 3-camera setup on the back, all housed within that new island. The non-Pro Xiaomi 17 is also said to have a compact form factor, and past reports hint at a 6.3-inch display. As for the price, Xiaomi's president has hinted that the non-Pro model will be as affordable as the last-gen smartphone, which was around $624.72. Now, let's talk about the Pro models and that insane magic back screen. Xiaomi has officially showcased some new features of this secondary display. A new video shows the back screen of the Xiaomi 17 Pro phones can run widgets like a stopwatch, offer music playback controls, let users answer calls, and show information like flight details and ride status. And get this, the back screen will also let you take selfies with the rear camera, just like the Mi 11 Ultra. Moving on to performance, the Xiaomi 17 Pro has already been spotted on Geekbench with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset and 16 GB of RAM. But here's the kicker. The scores were a bit disappointing, even worse than the Dimensity 9500 in some other devices. Now, keep in mind, these are pre-launch scores, so they should be taken with a grain of salt. But what about the cameras? Leaks from a credible Weibo leaker, Digital Station Chat Station, suggest some interesting details. The Xiaomi 17 Pro will reportedly have a Leica-enhanced triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 5x telephoto camera with an f3.0 aperture. This seems to be a slight downgrade from the Xiaomi 15 Pro, which had a larger f1.4 aperture and 120mm focal length. But the good news is, the Pro Max model is set to get a key camera upgrade. The Xiaomi 17 Pro Max will have the same primary and ultra-wide cameras as the Pro, but it will feature an upgraded telephoto sensor with a larger f2.6 aperture, which should improve low-light captures. The focal length remains 115mm, which is better for landscape photography. And finally, let's talk battery. A recent leak from a Weibo leaker hints at some notable battery boosts. The standard Xiaomi 17 will reportedly come with a massive 7,000 mAh battery. The Xiaomi 17 Pro will feature a 6,300 mAh battery, and the Pro Max will have the largest at 7,500 mAh. All three phones are also expected to support 100-watt fast charging, a nice jump from the 90-watt charging on the previous models. So, what do you think about the new Xiaomi 17 series? Is that magic back screen a game changer? Are the camera and battery specs enough to convince you? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for all the latest tech leaks and news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.